YouTube? Don't know if I'm gonna make this into a video or not, but I'm gonna go for a cruise. It's a nice day. It's like 74. It actually cooled off, so maybe I can get some comfortable driving done here in the Blazer. Fighting spark knock. I'm trying to tune the spark, but this whole time since I've started since this thing's been running, it's been spark knocking around 3600 and up. So that's probably not good, but I'm trying to fix that. So hopefully I've pulled timing, like, or I've adjusted timing probably. I think I'm on 8 tries now. I keep having this one spot around 0.6 air mass at 3600 RPM, and it keeps spark knocking there and a little bit after that. But I'm doing a few things on the computer today, make some adjustments, and we'll see what happens. Alright, so I've already played with this inside the house, but I turned DFCO back on, deceleration fuel cutoff. I've had that on this whole, or I've had the DFCO shut off basically ever since I got it running. So now I'm turning it back on. Hopefully that'll help with my braking, because my brake's been feeling weird. It's probably because it's still getting fuel and not actually decelerating. So I think how you do that is you just adjust this enable ECT. It was set to 285. I put it back to stock with my compare file, back to 104. And then spark, advance, high octane is where I'm playing at. Just following Goat Rope Garage's thing for this, but see here, right around, I don't know how well you guys can see this, but right around here, right around in there is where I'm having spark knock, and above that, and my spark 3D chart is looking like this. I know it looks like shit, but I'm mainly hitting, I might have to go back over this once I get it right, but basically you don't hit every area of this chart, like especially down here and up here, but it's supposed to look like a hump like that. I haven't touched that area yet. That's how it was stock. I feel like I might end up raising timing down low. I've been mainly playing right in this area where you see it kind of dip down, and I have been raising it up here. I think I'm at 23 degrees up here somewhere. Yeah, right around where it usually runs. So yeah, I think that's where that is. So I'm focusing on the main area here where I start to make power. That's where I start to make spark knock. So I have to keep pulling timing out, and I'm trying to smooth it out. I know it's not pretty, but I'm basically just trying to find the spot where, because the engine it's usually predictable on where it's going to hit, like where the air mass and RPM is going to meet up while I'm driving. So I'm trying to hit those problem areas and get them to where they'll not spark knock, and then start smoothing around them once I find that out. So that's kind of my thought process on it. I know timing's a whole thing in itself, but that's the way I'm doing it. I'm going to go ahead, and since I already adjusted this and pulled some more timing and re-enabled DFCO, we're going to write this. Let's make sure it's the right one. Amp Spark Tuning 8. I always turn off the high speed. Just do a regular write. So, and we are writing. So, after this writes in, we'll go for a cruise, and basically while we're driving around, I have it set up just how Goat Rope Garage said to do it, which is over here in the Spark Retard table. I got it set up. So zeros are good, and any positives means that there's knock. I have it set to 10 cell hits each, so one is actually 10 knocks. But yeah, so we're gonna drive around and look at everything, and I also got my horsepower calculator set up. It's just crank horsepower. I got my transmission slip and temp and all that stuff. Might add some more stuff around in here at some point. I feel like I need, before too long, I'm gonna probably add all the misfire things over here to log those and see if I'm misfiring anywhere. But yeah, I feel like I might have to check my spark plug soon, because I've been driving around. It's been spark knocking for a while now. So, but I don't know. We're gonna keep playing with this. I'm kind of getting worried because I have to keep pulling timing. I'm just running on was it 87 pump gas? It's already almost done. If I ran a higher octane, it might allow me to run more timing. I don't know. I'm not a professional at this, but alright, so that is done. Kind of showing you what I usually do when I'm doing this. Let's connect the vehicle. Come on. Yeah, my laptop battery does not last very long. This laptop's like about 6 years old. Alright, so starting to scan. I've already let it warm up, so she should be warmed up. Actually, where is my engine temp at? What the fuck? Oh, engine coolant temp. Oh, 158. Yeah, I'll let her warm up a little bit more before I start driving. And we'll see what this does. Alright guys, I think we're good now. I'm not spark knocking where I normally did. I'm going to double check whenever I stop. But yeah, today is so much better cruising than this thing. It only being like, I think it's like 72 to 75 degrees. The other day when I was trying to do this, it was like 95. So this feels great. Really nice day for a cruise. Heading into the nearest town here and getting some gas, probably some food. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to record because my phone battery is fighting for its fucking life. Just like R. Kelly. But yeah, we're gonna, if it's not spark knocking here, we're gonna go out to Mexico and see if we can pound on it and get it above the 3600. Usually when I'm above that, I really shouldn't be on the main roads doing that because we're spinning and everything at that point with these fucking tires. But yeah. Alright, see if we can get a good rip here. Waiting on this car to pass. Alright, that should have been a good one. Still not full throttle. I can't give her all the beans. I'll just spin. Got up to about there. But alright, we're gonna check these logs whenever I get at the gas station. Finally, no fucking spark knock. I actually got it up to $4,000 there, and we're all zeros. Not even any slightly pinks or anything like that. So good shit. Yeah, we'll probably just see if we can push it above that and see if we have any more spark knock when we go out to Mexico. These cooler temps are really helping. Like my intake air temperature is way lower than it usually is. It's still not good, but it's a lot better. Just got gas. I'm gonna go grab some food because I'm starving. I haven't ate today. But I wonder where we were at $4,000 as far as horsepower. Let's see here.
I think it was about here. Yeah, this is where we're at. 4 grand is like 233 horsepower. So yeah, I feel like I'm still tuning and stuff, so I think there's still a lot more power here left on the table. And yeah, as I keep playing with timing, I should get the power numbers up. I'm kind of wondering what it's going to look like when I get above 4 grand. Because it's just now, like that's the 4 grand, it's just starting to make power there. So above that, it should start making some serious numbers, which would be really cool.
Well, just got done eating lunch and stuff, and ended up running into another guy that had a really nice Blazer like mine, but it was stock. It had a really good interior and everything, and he followed me into a Walmart parking lot, and we ended up bullshitting for like an hour. But that was pretty cool. It's like second or third time that's happened to me. Somebody see the cow tracks and they know I got something. But in the Blazer. But I'm on my way to see my brother and some family, and I'm gonna keep cruising and keeping an eye on this on my Spark Knot. She's been running good today. It's a really nice day. I'm actually able to, probably the first time I've actually been able to drive it without sweating and almost feeling like I'm dying. It's so hot, but today it's been really good, like really comfortable. Just a nice cruise through the country. Pretty good cruising RPMs. Ain't nothing like driving around, cruising, and enjoying your hard work. If we can get on it here. Kind of like Mexico here. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. I don't think we had any Spark Knot. It's good.
Alright guys, that's about it for this video. Just back to the house. Got to turn it in for today, so I think we made really good progress on the buckets. There's so many of them out where I live. I think we made pretty good progress on the Spark tuning, so did a few more rips there and no Spark Knot.
Like I said, it's hard for me right now with the tires that I have, the stock tires, to push it too far more than like $4,000 unless I'm doing a burnout, because those little 205s just, they won't hold it, and I don't want to wreck. I don't want to wreck it, you know. It's just for obvious reasons. You know, I feel like getting up to where I'm really making power. Those tires are just, they spin so easily, and I don't want to end up in a ditch or anything. So, but hopefully here soon I'll be able to get some real tires, some real meats on there. That's like one of the first things I want to do. That and exhaust tips, because having the straight pipes out the side just doesn't really give her justice. I mean, I know she sounds good and kind of mean right now, but without having actual exhaust tips, you know, it could sound a lot better. If I had tips on there, man, it would be so throaty, and like it'd probably be louder too, but it would probably sound a hell of a sight better. Yeah, that's about it. I think we're gonna keep pushing with this spark tuning and stuff. See how much more gains we can get, and hopefully, when I get some tires, hopefully here soon, you know, I can really beat on her and get her above that $4,000 without killing myself. So, like I said, it still feels real fucking fast. Even like the videos don't give it justice. I know when I'm sitting there watching the videos after recording, it seems like I'm crawling, but like that one section of the video, we're only going, I was going 55, but it looked like we were going like 20, you know, going down the highway, but I'm actually going like 55. So, but I mean, I'm not out there going 130 mile an hour on the fucking street road. So, well, not yet. Maybe out in Mexico. But yeah, like I said, I really need some fucking tires. I'd be able to have a lot more fun. It'd be harder to do burnouts in them, but I think just have to give them more beans. I'll be able to. So, but stay tuned for more stuff. I'm currently working on a wiring video. I have like half of it recorded. I got to record some other stuff on my computer, going over I drew up some diagrams and stuff, so it should be pretty helpful to anybody doing an LS swap, or it might help people just doing a regular like 350 too, any kind of swap. And an S10 first gen. Some of it might apply to second gens, but I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stuff. Coming up with more ideas, and we'll keep pushing the boundaries.